Q tool or Quick Favorites. It is a very powerful shortcut to make your workflow faster and productive if it is used properly. I just figured out certain ways to use it and I found it really helpful, so I'm just sharing it with you guys. Basically, what Quick Favorites does is, when you press Q in your keyboard, it just lists your favorites, that's it. You can add different tools or you can add different actions to your Quick Favorites. I will just show you my setup of Quick Favorites here. Here I have multiple edges on this cube, and if you want to dissolve the edges, dissolve edges doesn't have a shortcut. So I right click and it stops me there for a second to find out the right option here because there are lots of options. But instead you can add dissolve edges to the Quick Favorites. You can also notice some of the other options here which already have their own default shortcuts such as split or separate, but dissolve edges doesn't have. So this is where Quick Favorites are handy. Also, Quick Favorites work with respect to the modes that we are in. Here I'm exiting the edit mode right now and I'm in object mode. Now there are a different set of Quick Favorites here. And in edit mode, there are a different set of Quick Favorites. So it works according to the mode that we are in. Here, dissolve edges is in Quick Favorites and that does the job much faster in terms of workflow. Let's take another example here. Let me inset some of the phases here. We know that inset phases have a shortcut I. So Quick Favorites is very useful for tools that doesn't have a shortcut. Let me do a quick modification to the default cube here. I'm about to extrude these selected phases. But when we hit E, shortcut for extrude, it extrudes in only one particular axis, which is not what we want. So we go for this option, extrude along phase along normals under Phase tab. But this can be accessed very easily under Quick Favorites when you add to it. So select any tool or action that you need and just right click on them and assign it to Quick Favorites. Let me remove the already existing one and redo it again. Now add to Quick Favorites. Now hit Q and you should see here on the list. I have also added few of my most used tools in my favorites here. It is very handy and makes the production much faster. Similarly, I have an animation here, and if I want to take a play blast, I have to click the view button and take the play blast every time. This will be very time consuming, as with animation we might have to take play blast for every change that we do. So I have the play blast option under my Quick Favorites here, which makes the process really faster. I also have the armature visibility toggle on and off as my Quick Favorites so that we can work with the animation without any disturbance. A clear view now. So you can add your favorite tools with respect to the modes that you're in, whether it is object, edit, pose, or even sculpt mode. Even in sculpt mode, instead of pressing G for grab and C for clay every time, different keyboard shortcuts for different brushes, we can add some of the common brushes that we use mostly under the Quick Favorites, and it is much faster here. So just Q and all these brushes are listed here. So I just figured out the best way to use this Q tool and which made my work much faster. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. So if you find it useful too, let me know in the comment section below of what you think, and also if you want me to post on anything else in particular, any particular topic, let me know that too. So that's it for this video, and I'll catch you guys with another one. So see you then. Bye bye.